Today, I am reviewing the Dreame L40s Ultra CE Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the raw cleaning performance, because 13,000 pascals of Vormax suction is an immense amount of power for a robot vacuum. On hard floors, it effortlessly vacuums up heavy debris like dropped cat litter, dried cereal, and fine dust from deep within floorboard cracks. But where you truly notice this immense suction is on carpets. Most standard robot vacuums struggle to lift dirt that has been stepped into the carpet fibers, but the L40s Ultra behaves like a traditional upright vacuum, pulling up fine dust and pet dander from deep inside the rug matrix. What makes this vacuuming performance uniquely impressive for pet owners is the inclusion of their specialized TriCut Brush roll. If you have anyone in your house with long hair or pets that shed constantly, you know the absolute misery of flipping a robot vacuum over every single week to cut away tightly wrapped hair bundles with a pair of scissors. The TriCut Brush roll features an innovative internal cutting mechanism that actively slices through long hairs as they wind around the roller, allowing them to be sucked directly into the dustbin without tangling or choking the motor. In my testing, it drastically reduced manual maintenance, keeping the roller completely clear and running smoothly with zero intervention on my part. When it comes to mopping, the machine handles multi-surface layouts, seamlessly using advanced ultrasonic carpet adaptation technology. The moment the robot transitions from a hard floor to an area rug or carpet, the ultrasonic sensors detect the change instantly. The robot immediately triggers a suction boost for the carpet while automatically raising its dual spinning mop pads up by 10.5 millimeters. This high-clearance lift ensures that your soft rugs stay perfectly dry and clean while the robot completes its entire vacuuming and mopping routine in a single, uninterrupted pass. Navigation and layout mapping are handled by their smart Pathfinder technology, which scan my entire home plan with incredible speed and accuracy on the very first run. The resulting map is highly editable in the app, allowing you to set virtual boundaries or prioritize specific rooms. In terms of obstacle avoidance, the robot is exceptionally precise, steering smoothly around furniture legs, dropped shoes, and toys without constantly bumping into things or getting trapped in tight corners. It navigates in efficient, logical straight lines, maximizing coverage and saving battery life. The centerpiece of the entire experience is the all-in-one self-emptying power dock base station, which automates almost the entire life cycle of floor care. When the robot finishes a job, the dock automatically pulls all the debris from the robot onboard bin into a sealed dust bag that can hold up to 100 days of waste before needing to be thrown out. Next, it washes the mopping pads with fresh water and utilizes hot air drying to dry them completely. This hot air drying phase is critical because it completely eliminates the risk of damp pads developing a sour, musty odor or breeding bacteria while sitting idle at the base. There is one important detail regarding the mopping setup that you need to be aware of. While the base station retains the internal hardware for the automatic cleaning solution filling function, the physical automatic filling module itself is sold separately. If you want the dock to automatically dispense cleaning solution into the water tank, you will need to purchase that module and activate it in the app. Without it, you will just be filling the clean water tank manually, which still does a fantastic job with pure water, but it is an extra step to keep in mind if you want the absolute pinnacle of automation. Additionally, note that this specific model supports 2.4 GHz wireless networks for use in the United States. Ultimately, if you want a basic vacuum, this level of heavy-duty automation might be more than you need. But if you have heavy shedding pets, thick carpets mixed with hard floors, and want a machine that powerfully vacuums, actively cuts through tangled hair, lifts its mops, and maintains itself for months at a time, the Dreame L40s Ultra CE is a phenomenal performer that delivers a genuinely hands-free, top-tier clean.